If your payments are getting blocked or failing on Cash App, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can check and fix right away. Start by opening Cash App and tapping the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Make sure you've actually got enough money in your cash balance for the payment you're trying to send. Sometimes it's just that simple. Next, check if your app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play, search for Cash App, and see if there's an update button. Outdated apps can cause all sorts of weird errors, especially with payments. After that, take a look at your account info. Tap your profile icon and make sure your name, phone number, and email are all correct. Also check the card or bank account you've linked. If your card is expired or the billing info is off, like the wrong address, that can block payments too. You might need to update your card details or just remove the card and add a new one. Another thing that can mess up payments is your internet connection. If you're in a spot with weak signal or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, the transaction might fail. Try refreshing your connection or switching networks. If you've tried all that and nothing's working, it's time to reach out to Cash App support. You can do that inside the app. Just go to your profile, tap support, and start a chat. Or if you'd rather call them,